Hey guys, according to multiple leaks, Samsung is working on to the success Galaxy A24 and the upcoming model is expected to be called the Galaxy A25 5G. In June, we got to see the design of the smartphone early this month, and here is the Galaxy A25 5G official render reveal design and a 4 color. Let's now talk about the full specification. According to a previous leak, the Galaxy A25 5G will be featuring a 6.44-inch Full HD Plus 90Hz Super AMOLED display. And of course, out of the box, the phone running Android 14 with One UI 6.0. The phone comes with Exynos 1280 chipset with 8GB of RAM and 128GB storage, and the Geekbench score are already leaked. 973 points in the single core test and 2106 points in the multi-core test. Another leak revealed that it will have a triple camera setup, a 50MP primary camera, 5MP ultra-wide and a 2MP macro shooter, and the phone is come with 13MP selfie camera. It might be have a side-mounted fingerprint scanner and face unlock too. In the battery section, the phone comes with 5000 mAh battery and is support 25W fast charging. So that's all about the Galaxy A25 5G official leak and information. If you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this as always. Thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.